If you're learning Spanish, I already know your three biggest enemies. Ser versus estar, saber versus conocer, and the final boss, por versus para. These three have traumatized more students in Spanish exams. So today I'm going to explain them in a way that actually makes sense. Let's call Spanish, no boring rules, just real logic. Let's start with the drama queen, ser and estar. Think of it like this. Ser is your personality, estar is your mood, ser is who you are, estar is how you feel today. If I say él es aburrido, I didn't say he feels bored. I say he's a boring person. That's his personality, that's his brand. But if I say él está aburrido, now he's just bored right now. Tomorrow he might be the most fun person alive. Another example, soy pobre, that means I'm poor as a life condition. Estoy pobre, that means I'm broke right now. Temporary crisis. Tomorrow I might be rich. So remember it like this. Ser, identity. Saber lives in your brain. Conocer lives in real life. If you say sé nadar, perfect, that's a skill. Sé la respuesta, good, that's information. But if you say sé a María, no. You sound like Maria is a math formula. You say conozco a María because you've met her in real life. You don't know people with your brain, you know people with experience. So the rule in real life is real world connection. Conocer. Now we reach the final billion. That one that makes people cry at night. This one is actually not hard, it's just badly explained. Por is a reason, para is a goal. Por is why something happens. Example, trabajo por dinero. I work because of money. That's the reason. Trabajo para ser feliz. I work in order to be happy. That's the goal. Another one, gracias por el regalo. Thank you because of the gift. Este regalo es para ti. This gift is for you, the destination. Por looks backward, para looks forward. Por explains the cause, para shows the destination. Here's a sentence that destroys all confusion. Trabajo por necesidad. Trabajo para libertad. I work because I have to. I work so I can be free. Now, here's the truth people never tell you. You don't really learn this by memorizing rules. You learn this by hearing Spanish again and again. Your brain starts to feel what sounds right. That's how natives actually learn this. We didn't study this, we just absorb it. And now you're doing the same thing. So let's summarize in real human language. Ser, what you are. Estar, how you feel right now. Por, the reason. Para, the goal. If this video finally made this three make sense, then follow this channel, because I explain Spanish like a human, not like a textbook. And if you want, in the next video, I can explain when ser becomes temporary and starts to become permanent. Because yes, Spanish also likes to break its own rules.